Lucky you were born that far away, so we could both make fun of distance. Lucky that I love a foreign land for the lucky fact of your existence. Baby, I will climb the Andes solely to count the freckles on your body. Never could imagine there were only 10 million ways to love somebody. La 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 la. Can't you see? That's the deal, my dear. Lucky that my lips not only mumble, but still kisses like a fountain. Lucky that my breasts are small and humble, so you don't come